Chitrangada, first of all, good to see you after a long time, and you're looking gorgeous as usual.
Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
how excited are you? Like lockdown came out again at the Miss India stage, so how excited are you?
You know, I was just saying that in fact, I don't think I've been out on a red carpet or been in front of the media all dressed up for an event in a really long time. So this is really nice, and I've been here before as a judge. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to it, and it's nice, you know, to see the girls go through the whole emotional up and down and the whole thing through one evening, and it's nice. It's going to be fun.
Okay, what do you like to say about such platform like Miss India?
You know, I've always said that, and I was in fact walking and I was talking to one of the Times group people that as when we were in college and we used to sit and watch Miss India, I was like, my God, I want to be in this someday, you know. And I think this is probably the fourth year that I have been a judge here. So yes, I think it is iconic. Miss India has always been iconic, and it still remains a really important property when it comes to you know, talent and beauty. And so it's a great platform, and it's only gone bigger and bigger every single year. So yes, I mean, this is pretty much it, Miss India.
Okay, आप जज करने वाली हैं तो क्या कुछ देखने वाली हैं आप सब मॉडल्स, क्या कुछ आप
You know, I think मैं यही कहती हूँ कि जो सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ होती है, लड़की हो या लड़का, anybody, anyone, any age, is the confidence that they have. That is what makes you really attractive, more than, you know, how you're looking, and of course all that is good, but that inner confidence and that belief that you have in yourself, I think that is beautiful. So that is the one thing that I will be looking out for. Not overconfidence, because that doesn't put off, but just the right amount, you know, when you're sure of yourself. So that will be nice.
Okay, lastly, what do you say to all the fans and viewers, and what all projects are in pipeline?
There's this one film that we finished shooting last year. And before, so pre and post COVID, we finished it. It is called Bob Biswas with Abhishek Bachchan, and that is ready for release this year. Hopefully, we should be able to be in the theatre, maybe. Let's see. And there's something else that I will start shooting, a woman-centric film, and yeah, that's what I have. Thank you. Thank you.
We're done? Bye, guys.
Yeah, no. What happened?
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
no.
I'm sorry. What happened? Are we supposed to be here?
Yeah.
God, I'm doing this after a year, I think.
मैम रुक जाओ यहाँ जी हाँ स्टार्ट
मैम लेफ्ट में
यहाँ जी
on your left side
We've done an event out very
यहाँ जी मैम ये मैम हाँ अरे
Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम
ready
Credit
ready
you.
okay silent center look ma'am
Okay, Neha ma'am, first of all, good to see you after such a long time. How does it feel like after lockdown, back to the stage of Miss India?
Listen, it's absolutely fantastic. I think the last event we did before lockdown happened was also something to do with the Times of India. If I'm not wrong, I think it was Filmfare or, you know, one of those mega events, and then lockdown happened. I'm actually quite taken aback because, you know, we've done an event after a year and we're talking to you, all of you in person. Good to see everybody healthy and smiling and happy. I don't know if they're smiling behind the mask, but it's great, and it's such a great event to come back to. Miss India also has its, you know, own legacy, and, you know, as a mentor, I've been representing this position for 5 years now, and, you know, it's great to see that our girls are doing so well, and I'm excited to see who wins tonight.
What would you like to say about such platform like Miss India?
I mean, there's very little that you can take away in the goodness of the platform, because, you know, we've been around for, you know, for what, 60 years, over 60 years now? 57 years. So we've been here for 57 years, and no matter what, no matter how busy or how much time you have at hand, you're always waiting to hear who the next Miss Indias are, and that's exactly what the nation is going to be doing in a few hours from now.
Okay, lastly, any sort of tips you want to give to all the contestants?
You know, I say this every year, and I feel like I have a right to say this now more than ever, because I have been a pageant mentor for exactly half a decade. Wow. I just want them to be themselves. The reason why they take away from being themselves is this preconceived notion they have about a pageant. But when we have our one-on-one interviews, that goes for a very high scoring as to what happens today. So आज जो आप देख रहे हैं, इसके पहले हम सब लड़कियों को already मिल चुके हैं. We've had one-on-one interviews with them. हम continuously उनको यही advice देते हैं, because if you're talking about walking well, they have trainers. If you're talking about dressing well, they have the best designers dressing them. If you're talking about looking a certain way, they all have it on a platter. What makes them different is their individual personality. Don't gun for something that somebody else is saying and maybe because of that answer koi jeeta hai. Because what we're looking for is who can actually which female can actually be the future of our nation. And sometimes it's not as high pressure as they make it out to be. We just need them. I just want them to relax and shine on that day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.